Students, today we are starting another chapter of geography, and this chapter number is 1, and the name of our chapter is our environment. So, you already know what is environment, but let us have a discussion. So, we will start with the meaning of environment. So, this word environment is derived from a French word environner meaning surroundings. Okay, in simple term, whatever we see in our surrounding is collectively called environment. So whatever is surrounding us, okay, is called as environment. The place, people, things, and nature that surrounded any living organism is called environment. These surroundings can be divided. So, as you can see in the picture, whatever thing is surrounding us, for example, natural, man made thing, whatever it is, animals, plants, buildings, houses, all these things together, whatever is surrounding us is called together, it called as what? Environment. Further, this environment can be divided into two categories. What are those? Natural and man-made environment. Okay, these are also known as the components of the environment. So environment can be divided into two parts: natural and man-made environment. Natural environment, of course, include living organism, plants, etc. And man-made man-made environment composed of things which are made by human being, like buildings, industries, vehicles, etc. They comes under man-made environment, or environment which is created by man. Okay, let us move on. Components of environment. Let us see the components of environment with the help of this picture. Our environment consists of two main components: natural and man-made. So see, living organisms, that is biosphere, this comes under natural. Land, then air, then water, all these things comes under natural environment. Okay, then another component is man-made. So which are those? Buildings, parks, industry, bridge, road, monuments, all these things are the man-made components of the environment. Okay, now let us understand about natural or physical environment. First we are going to read about natural environment. Okay, all those things that are naturally existing around us are together called natural environment. So by the name you can understand that whatever things which are natural are comes under natural environment, like land, that is lithosphere, plants, animals, all this comes under natural, which are naturally made, the air, water, all these things. Okay, so these things are free gifts of nature. For example, plants, animals, land, air, water, etc. We have not bought these things, we got this thing as gift, right? Natural environment is further divided into biotic and abiotic environment. Then we have divided the environment into two parts: natural and man-made environment, right? Now we can further divide the natural environment into two parts. One is biotic environment, another is abiotic environment. Okay, so which are biotic environment? This environment includes the world of living in organism, for examples, human beings, plants, animals, insects, etc. The things which includes living organism, which can which inhales oxygen or inhale carbon dioxide, or which can move, these things comes under living organism, right? So this living organism, group of living organism, comes under biotic environment. Okay, next is abiotic environment. This refers to the world of non living elements, for example, land, air, water, etc. So, these are also natural, abiotic environment, but these are not living things. For example, elements of nature which are non living. For example, land. Land is not living, right? Non living. Then air, then water. These are non living things. So, this comes under abiotic environment. Okay, the land on which we live is not man-made thing, and land is not man-made also. It has been created through a natural process. Similarly, air, water, natural vegetation, etc. also occur naturally. Here the land refers to the lithosphere. The land is termed as lithosphere, while the air, water are termed as atmosphere, and water is termed as hydrosphere. Okay, the plants and animals are the major parts of the biosphere. Let us recapitulate all these four domains of art to understand our environment well. Further, we will going to read about lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere to understand our natural environment in a proper way. So we are stopping the video here. In our next video, we are going to discuss this. Okay, students, thank you.